All right, everyone, welcome to Sour Horsepower, and as you can see, today we are prepping the 2022 Dodge Durango SRT for paint protection film, the ceramic coating, and then they're also going to do a full paint correction on the vehicle as well. So they're just finishing up the wash, and they clay barred it, so now drying it off, and then we're going to jump right into the paint correction. So let's get to it. So we're going to take a walk around the shop here a little bit. As you can see, they just did this Ram TRX, I think it's full PPF, or at least definitely the front PPF on it. And they also did PPF on the windshield, which we will be doing here on the Durango. Nice BMW back here. And this, I believe it's a Mitsubishi Starion or something like that. Not too sure. Let's take a look. What we got? Conquest TSI. Huh. Interesting. Moving it out of the wash bay over to there, and that's where we're going to do the detailing and apply the film. This here looks like a Dodge or Chrysler version of a Mitsubishi Starion. TSI. Burgundy on burgundy interior, manual. Very interesting. Porsche 911. How's it going, man?
How you doing?
Good. Lamborghini Superleggera. Here comes the Durango in here. Audi R8. So it's a colored PPF film on this. Old Corvette. And then over here we got a nice Jag wagon. There we go. Alright, so now that the Durango's in here, we're going to get started on the paint correction, and then soon followed up by the PPF. All right, everyone, so you joined me on the next day. I was going to film my outro yesterday, but it was raining and it was getting dark and just kind of not a great time to film. So we're just going to point out some of the things that we ended up doing yesterday with the PPF and everything.
All right, so I think I mentioned in the video what we did exactly earlier. We did the front hood in PPF. Let me see if I can. They did such a great job, you really can't even tell that it's on there. They completely tucked all the edges, the back, sides, the front, everything's completely tucked. They took the vents out here, and that everything is tucked down underneath the vents. We did the front bumper as well. Let's see if we can. So they did such a great. You can see the outline here, so it comes right up to the lines there, and then follows all the way up. They even did up here on the fender flare. Runs along the edge there. We did the headlights as well, and we did the mirrors, as you can see here. Let's see, a little dirty from driving home in the rain, but we got this whole section there, and then we got the A pillar or B pillars here, also PPF, so that way when you're getting in and out of the vehicle, if people use their hands and push close on that, will not scratch. So, oh, and I also forgot to mention one thing. We also did the windshield as well, so let's go ahead and take a look. You see there's just a tiny little line there that shows the edge, and they completely brought it all the way up to the top. Now there are a few bubbles, like there's a small bubble right here and a little bit bigger bubble over here on this side right here. You can probably see it, but they said that with it being parked in the sun, those will evaporate out and we should be good to go. Full paint correction. My detailer went over the entire car with a compound and then a polish. Then they applied the PPF, and then he did a 3-year ceramic coating with SB3 coatings. And so I drove home for over 2 hours in the rain last night, and it's like barely dirty. The coating is working flawlessly, and then for the dirt that is on there, all I would need to do is take a pressure washer and most likely just spray it off. So that's the great thing about that.
All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, just giving you guys a little update here on the 2022 Durango. Next up we got, I need to get some tints for it as well, and unfortunately I was going to try and film this weekend a full like driving video of it, because I just crossed over 500 miles on my trip yesterday. But we're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches of snow on Saturday, so it's going to make it a little bit difficult to show a dynamic driving video for the Durango. So stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment below your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.